Chris Fisher jumping out in front of Bruce. Bruce giving him a little tab. There it is. Oh no. There's Justin. Son of a sandbagger. Son of a sandbagger is going to go for it. He leads it into that after that first straight. We got a whole pile of trucks trying to get through there. Shane Smith trying to work through Bruce. I mean through Bruce. Oh, don't worry about that. Christian Susie took him out for you, Shane. Here comes Chris Fisher coming back up. Justin's out there, but he can be caught. Not to ask him. Here comes Shane in second. Chris Fisher in third. Christian Susie and Richard Paradis, Bruce Taylor, first to last. If you're not first, you're last. Justin trying to drive some clean lines, but got two guys just battling with each other. Oh, Shane taking a shot at Chris. Get them all loose. Christian Susie looking for that third spot. Top three get trophies. He's going to try and reel them in. Meanwhile, Chris Fisher's back here with Christian. They're fighting for that third spot. Chris Fisher, gets a little bit of room and he can't make it stick.